Hello and welcome to ABC Trainings. Today is the first session of Creo Parametric. So we will be starting from today. The introduction will be there in today's session. So Creo Parametric. Creo is a family of computer-aided design. So it is a CAD software. Overall, 9,311 companies are using PTC Creo. It is a 3D solid modeling and design program. It is developed by PTC company. Okay. So for Creo, minimum RAM requirement is 4 GB. Okay. So we will be seeing there are some versions of Creo. Creo comes in 1988. Okay. The first version of Creo was Pro E 2000. Okay, after that 2000 E to 2001 Wildfire 1.0. Okay, so these are the versions. In 2011, PTC rebranded Pro E. So Pro E was rebranded as Creo Parametric. Okay, so the current version of the software is 9.0. Creo is available in English, Chinese, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean. Okay, so these are the language. Creo is available on this language. Okay, widely used is English. Creo. So what is Creo Parametric software? So Creo Parametric is a feature-based product development tool. The software construct model using series of easy to understand features. The geometric definition of model is defined by the types of features used in and order in which each feature is placed. Okay. So what is parametric software? So what is parametric software? Parametric modeling is a modeling process with the ability to change the shape of the model geometry as soon as the dimension value is known. So when we modify a dimension of a model, the whole modeling process or whole model will be changed. Okay, so change the shape geometry when we change any dimension value. Okay, so parametric modeling is implemented through the design computer program code such as script to define the dimension and shape of the model. So this is the introduction of the Creo software. Okay, so how to install? There are three ways: student version, crack version. Okay, there is a paid version. Welcome to. So this is the welcome screen of the Creo Parametric. Okay, so this is the interface is open. When we open the Creo Parametric software, we will see this. This is the Creo Parametric interface. Okay, so what are the features in Creo? So Creo is a parametric software creating 2D, creating 3D, extrudes, revolve, we will see this one by one. Selecting edit, creating rounds, shells, chamfers, creating drawing view, creating detailed drawing view, surface modeling, assembly, sheet metal design. This we can do in Creo. So these are the features of Creo. Okay. So the extension file formats in Creo are following. So .drw is used for drafting, .prt is used for 3D part, .scc is used for 2D, and .asm is for assembly. For template, .frt is being used. Okay, these are some Creo parametric projects. So we can also draw wiring harness in Creo. Okay, so these are the companies, some of the companies which are using Creo Parametric as a software. Okay, you can see this. So this is just the introduction. So we will see the Creo Parametric interface. So when we open a Creo, so this is the welcome screen of the Creo Parametrics. Okay, so this is the menu bar, home tab. Okay, so we have new. You can create a new project, open an existing project. Okay, then you can select working directory, erase non-display. Okay, so model display, set you can set the model displays. Okay, you can set the system appearance. Okay, in this system appearance. Okay, so you can change the graphics, datums. Okay, so you can do this all the display, you can change it from here. Okay, then so this is the, okay, so you can access the folders from here to common folders. Okay, you can also access the network, the folder tree. Okay, so these are the folder tree, you can access existing folder from here. Okay, so you can, this is the my file manager. Okay, so we will start. So we will do so this is the file. Okay, so you can also see the options here, new, save. Okay, also there is options, so you can open the Creo parametric options and you can change the settings of this software. Okay, so sketcher you can also change the settings, constraint you can change. Okay, in sheet metal, so this is the settings of each workbench, you can say. Okay, so assembly, detailing, application, you can change the settings here. Okay, system appearance, model display, so you can change the settings here from entity display. Okay, wireframe. Okay, so these are the options in the Creo. Okay, so we'll start. We will go to the new. Then this dialog box will be open. So you can see this. This is the layout, sketch, part, assembly, anything you want to. So we will start from the sketch. So for sketch, you can do this here to here also, and also you can go to the part. So create a solid. Okay, we will see this sheet metal and bulk in